Assalamualaikum and good morning, sir. My name is SITI WAFIQAH binti RAHISHAM ZAID, student ID 2025121689 from class CDIM 2635C. Today, I would like to present my individual project for the mobile application and content development subject. The title of my project is EverAfter Personal Wedding Planner and Manager. EverAfter is a mobile application developed using Flutter that helps users manage and organize their wedding preparation efficiently. The main idea of this application is to provide a personal wedding management platform where users can keep track of tasks, guest list, important dates, and wedding progress in one place. I chose this project because wedding planning involves many activities and deadlines. Without proper planning, users may forget important tasks or face difficulties managing their wedding preparations. Therefore, EverAfter aims to make the planning process more organized, systematic, and stress-free. This project fulfills the core requirements of the assignment because users are able to add, update, and delete data such as wedding tasks and guest information. In addition, the application also integrates a calendar and deadline management system to help users monitor important events and appointments. Now, I would like to demonstrate how to use the application. First, users need to log in to the application. If they do not have an account yet, then they need to register by selecting the sign up option. Next, users are required to fill in their details such as their name, email address, and password. After completing the form, they can click the create account button to register successfully. Once logged in, user will directed to dashboard page. On the dashboard, users can see a greeting message and a logout button to the top of the screen. Below that, there is a wedding countdown card which displays the remaining days before their wedding day. This feature helps users stay aware of how much time is left for preparation. Users will also see several wedding categories including marriage, engagement, solemnization, reception, and guests. For example, if a user selects the solemnization category, they will enter the solemnization task page. On this page, users can click the Add button to create a new task. They will need to enter information such as task title, description, and due date. After filling the details, they simply click the Add button. The newly created task will then be displayed on the solemnization page. The same process can also be applied to the other categories such as marriage, engagement, and reception. If users want to edit an existing task, they can click the pencil icon. They can then modify the task details such as the title, description, or due date. And press the update button to save the changes. On the other hand, if users wish to remove a task, they can click the trash bin icon. If a task has already been completed, users can simply tap the circle checkbox to mark it as completed. Next, I would like to explain the guest category. In this section, users can monitor their guest attendance information. At the top of the page, users can view the attendance percentage, which help them determine whether the expected number of guests is sufficient or exceed their target. Users can also see a guest list together with a search bar. To add a new guest, users can click the Add button at the bottom of the page. They will then fill in guest name, guest category, and number of bags. After completing the information, they simply click Save. The guest data will automatically appear in the guest list. Users can also update guest information whenever necessary to ensure the attendance count remains accurate throughout the wedding planning process. The search bar allows users to quickly search for a specific guest by name. Finally, the application includes a history page. Users can access this page through the second navigation button located at the bottom navigation bar. In conclusion, conclusion, EverAfter is a practical wedding planning application that helps users manage wedding tasks, monitor guest attendance, track important deadlines, and organize wedding preparation more effectively. Through this project, I was able to apply Flutter Flow features such as authentication, file store database integration, CRUD operations, navigation, and data management to create a functional and user-friendly mobile application. So that's it all my presentation. Assalamualaikum.